Hello Vega and welcome to my humble room. I'm going to show you how to solve a GCF, LCD, and LCM problem. But first, we're going to solve a GCF problem. So let's start. So first, we're going to review the prime factorization. For example, 12. 12 is equals to 3 times 4. So let's put the 3 and the 4. 3 is a prime number, so we're gonna encircle it. Now 4 can be factored into 2, so 2 times 2. 2 and both 2's are prime numbers, so we're gonna both encircle them. So the prime numbers, here it is, the prime numbers are here, and we're gonna put them here. There you go, you find your prime factorization, and have a great day. Thank you, bye. Hi guys, I'm back, and now we're gonna find the GCF. So now we're gonna put the 12 and the one that we find from the factorization. So now, how to find a GCF? We're going to put an example here. 8. So, 2 is 2. As you can see, there's a lot of 2's here. So, we're going to encircle them here. This. Now, we're going to multiply. So, 2 times 2 equals 4. And that's your GCF. Thank you. Now we're gonna solve a LCM problem. So I have examples here, 3 and 5. Now we're gonna list the numbers of each number. The multiples of 3 are 12, 15, and 18. Now we're gonna put the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now we're gonna find the first common value. We have 15 here and we have 15 here. We're gonna encircle that. Now, you have your least common, and it's 15. And that's how you get your LCM. I'm back, and now we're going to solve an LCD problem.
So I have two examples over here. That will be 12 and the number 30. Let's make an upside down division bar. Let's think about two numbers that can be divided between 12 and 30. So the first number that comes into my mind is the number 3. Let's try to divide 3 divided by 12 is 4. And 3 divided by 30 is 10. And now let's make a small division bar. So let's check what seems to be the number that can be divided between 4 and 10. So that's number 2. So let's divide 2 divided by 4 is 2. And 2 divided by 10 is 5. And let's do the same step. Let's think about the number that can be divided between 2 and 5. I think that will be the number 1. And let's try to create a big L. Let's encircle all of the things that was been outside. So let's divide or let's multiply the encircled part of the division bar. So let's put 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And 12 times 5 is equal to 60. I'll write down number 60 here, and there, that's the LCD, 60.
There you go, guys. That's how you solve these problems. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Margus Adil Vega from 7 Regions. Power.
I just wanna dive in with you. I just wanna lie here with you. Oh, no, no, just be careful, no, no. Love ain't simple, no, no.